Hello everyone. Uh, First upon introducing myself, my name is Rahul Salunke. I have completed BCS from Solapur University, and today's topic is string methods in Java. Then first upon, what is string? In string is basically object that represent the sequence of character in array. Character work in same Java string that's called string. Then string is provided lots of method for performing operations. Strings such as compare method, concat method, equal to method, split method, length and replace method, compare to method, internal methods of string methods. There are lots of methods in provided string. The Java language string classes implement serializable, comparable, and character sequence interface. There are the number of the string in Java. What is string in Java? Generally, string is sequence of character, but Java string is object that represent the sequence of the character. The Java language string class is used to create the string object. There, how to create string in object? There are two ways in creating a string by string literal by new keyword. String literal. Java string literal is created by the using double quote. For example, string s is equal to double quote. Welcome to Java, double quote and semicolon. Each time it's creating string literal, the JVM check the string constant pool. First, that time string already exists in a string pool. Interface the polite the instance of the runnable. It is string doesn't existing in pool a new string instance the create the place in the pool. The understand the what is string pool in concept. Creating a string s1 double quote welcome to Java and second string creating s2 the double quote in Java. Then it doesn't create the new instance. That time s1 and s2 basically point to the same object. That's called in string constant pool. Okay. What is Java using compared string literal to make the more memory efficient because a new object created existing already in string constant pool. Then second way is the by using new keyword. For example, string s is equal to new string double quote welcome to Java. Create two object and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will create the new string object in normal non-pool heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable s is referred to the object in heap non-pool. Okay. Then numbers of methods in Java. Then first is the character caret in index, return the value in the particular index. Second is int length. The length method is return the string length. String string format object args uh, return the formatted string. Then next one is a string static string format. That time return the format string with given the local string substring. This is method is return the substring given the index. String boolean constant. That time return the true or false after the mechanism the sequence of the character value. String static join. That time return the join the string. Boolean is empty. That time check the string is empty. Uh, and string index. That time check the pass the integer character. That time return the specific character value in index. Okay. String lowercase method, that time return the string lowercase. That's a number of methods in string methods. That's all about the string, what is string and string methods. Thank you so much.